Good afternoon, my decorating buddies on this April 1st, 2026. Can you believe we have just entered into the fourth month of this year? Unbelievable. Well, one of my subscribers brought to my attention that I did not film the end results of the painting of my swan and how I filled it with flowers. So I came on today to show you guys. You remember in its original state, the swan was like a grayish color. And I really wanted it to be white. So I pulled out some chalk paint and a paintbrush and I painted it white. I tried just to plan alone in the swan. Didn't work for me. I tried the flowers alone in the swan. Didn't work for me. So this time I combined the two, and I must say that I love it. And I sat it on a tray and put it on my radiator in front of my double windows, right next to the stand that has my lanterns on it and the new ginger jar that I just bought and my thrift store finds. So I just wanted to come on and show you. It was worth the investment. I went back and forth for a month at least, month and a half, maybe two, as to whether I was going to make the purchase of the swan. And first they had it on 2 or 3 easy pays, and then one time I looked on the website and they had it for 5 easy pays. So I said, okay, I'm going to get it now. And it came quickly and I decorated it. And it has a real big opening in the middle of him. So you could put a plant in it. You could put fresh flowers that's already in a flower pot, because the hole in the back of him, or in the middle, is quite big. I was actually there's actually a flower pot inside of him, and I stuck some of the flowers down in the styrofoam that was in the flower pot, and then the rest of them I just nestled and stuck down in there around the flower pot. You can't even see the flower pot. And the plant I actually cut up into pieces and nestled them in where I could. And I think it looks nice sitting there between the ginger jar. And actually that's a cabbage plate with napkins in it that says Heroes. So I am liking this, and I just wanted to come on and show you because I didn't do it. And I think all I showed you was me actually painting the swan. So now you get to see it close up. And I hope it inspires you to make a floral arrangement, some kind of spring centerpiece. Easter is coming up. It's 4 days away. So I really love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I love it just like I love those what are those plates called? Peter Rabbit plates. But I won't show them again because you already seen them before in other videos. I just wanted to highlight the swan. Okay, enjoy your Wednesday. It's another beautiful day. It was so nice yesterday, and I really didn't expect it to be nice today because I thought they called for rain. But hey, we get what we get, and we just dress accordingly, right? Okay, everybody, enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I will talk to you in the next video. And don't forget, God loves you. Take care now. Bye.